Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade options on Thinkorswim for beginners. First, understand that options are contracts giving you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a set price by a certain date. Calls are for bullish moves, and puts are for bearish moves. Thinkorswim provides powerful tools to analyze these contracts effectively. Once logged in, navigate to the Trade tab on the Thinkorswim platform. Here, you'll find the Options chain, which is your central hub for options trading. Familiarize yourself with its layout, noting the calls on the left and puts on the right. Pay close attention to strike prices and expiration dates, as these are crucial for your trading decisions. To place a trade, simply click on the bid or ask price of your chosen options contract within the chain. This will open an order entry window. You can then select your desired quantity, typically one contract representing 100 shares, and choose an order type like a limit order to control your entry price. Always review your order thoroughly before sending it. After placing a trade, you can monitor its performance under the Monitor tab. To close a position, simply right-click on the contract and select Create Closing Order. This allows you to exit the trade, either to take profits or manage losses. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.